In this video, I'm showing like how to add numbers by taking the input from the user. So this is a Python program example. So we have a series of example programs. You can watch one by one and learn Python. So before getting to that, if you not yet subscribed to our channel, so please search Highblix tutorials here. So you'll get Highblix tutorials. Click here, then click videos. So here is a subscribe button. So please click on subscribe button to subscribe. And when you browse it, you can see that we have a Python related videos from the installation. So this is like how to do the installation. This is how to start a Python, how to work with IDLE, how to install Notepad++. So what print command, format, error, all the commands. Then we have simple projects like for example number to words, and you can learn the day wise Python. In each day we cover one particular concept, so you need to learn all the concept to become a good programmer in Python. So therefore subscribe and keep browse these videos, and whichever the one you are interested you can open and you can watch. Apart from this we also have a video related videos, project related videos. So in this we are explaining the project, like how this project works. So probably you'll get the benefit from this. After watching that, probably you can try to write the same project. Fine. So okay, let's come back and we'll write the program now. So now to write the program, so you require to IDLE, that is integrated development and learning environment. So this is a default editor. By default it will be installed when you install the Python. Fine. So here again you go to options, configure IDE and highlights. So here you have a dark theme, select the dark theme. Fine. After selecting that you can apply. So scroll up, apply and click OK. Right. Then go to file menu and then create a new file. So here is a new file. So let me write the program in this editor. Fine. So program to add numbers. Right, you can see the color little bit dark, so we want to change this color. Again go to options, configure IDLE. Fine. So go to highlights and you click this one, remarks. So this is in red color. Now change the color to some light color. Therefore you can able to view it. Okay, so give the theme name theme 1. Okay, theme 1 is already there. Let's give theme 2. So any other colors you want to change, we can always do so. So timing, I'll change the remark color. Program to add the numbers. First let's write the simple program. Let's say A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10. So C is equal to A plus B. Then you can say print, okay, write total is colon, comma, C. So this makes the program to add two numbers, right? So file, save as. So go to the directory where you would like to save. I'll go to Python test files. Then give the file name. Fine. So give the file name. So you say program 1, program 2, program 3, or add two numbers. So whatever is suitable, you can give the proper name. So here in this case we are adding numbers. You can say adding numbers. You can give the file name as adding numbers. Python adding numbers. Therefore next time you go to the folder, easy for you to understand what program it is. So proper naming is also one important thing. So therefore you can write program to add numbers. Probably if you want to give this one as a file name, then no problem. So you go to file, say save as, and then program to add two numbers. Otherwise you can say py program to add two numbers. Right, so that is saved in the particular name itself. That's one thing. Now your program is ready. Now what we want to do is we want to run this program. In order to run the program, go to run and then click the run module. So this will be run in the shell. This is a Python shell. You can see that total is 20 is displayed over there. but our aim is to read the value from the user and then we want to calculate from that. So how to do this? So in order to read the value from the user, you can say a is equal to, so here you can say input, please enter the number. Fine. So then you want one more input, you can say b is equal to, please enter the another number. That is b. So now we don't want these two, so we can remark it. Fine. So otherwise you can delete that. Okay. Now let's save this and execute. So you can see that here it asks the name. So please enter the number. Okay, enter the number 25. So another 15. So you can see that total is 2515. What happened? So here what happened is, so this is 25. So here 25 and then another 15. So instead of adding, it's concatenating. It's joining, like two parties joining. So the first one is 25, another one is 15. So what is the problem? The problem is when you read the value, now this a is a string. This b is also a string. So probably you can have a type a. So when you type a, because we executed the file here, so this is the file we are executed. So system knows what is this a is. A is a variable. Type a will give the str. Then you can say type b. So that is also str. So if it's a string, it will concatenate. So therefore we don't want string. Now we need to take a number. In order to take the number, you have to put function called as a int. So that we want to change to integer. Int. So now we are changing the input to integer. Fine. So now save this and let us run. Enter the number. Again 15. Now you can see the total is 40. Right. So maybe you can make like no, enter the first number, enter the second number. But it's not okay. Let's say that enter the first number. Enter the second number. So now you can say that enter the first number. So any number. Enter the second number. So then total will come. In case you want one line here and you want one more line here, so we can draw the lines. Print. Okay, so here is not close, you have to close the bracket. So close the bracket. So otherwise it's an error. So save this and then run. So enter the number. So you can see that there is a line and the values will come here like. Fine, so this is how you can read value from the user and then print. So we'll improve this program later after 20-30 programs. So I'll just come back to the same program and we'll learn like how to read a number from the user and then any number of times. It's not necessarily 2 times, so user can enter any number of times and then you can terminate and then we can show all the values, what are the values he entered and what is the total for this, and we'll also format. I'll show how to format the same program later. For the time being, you can try this and execute and check it out. So hope you can able to do it now. So please try this program.